Welcome. In front of me is Motorola E5 Play, and I'll show you how to insert SIM card and memory card. So you can start off by opening it up, which see it's a little notch right here. You can just pry it open. Once it's open, you will see these here for the memory card and for the SIM card. So the SIM card that goes in here, it's a Nano SIM. It's basically the smallest one. Just slide it in here like that. Whoops. Okay. And memory card. I also have a little image here, how the card's supposed to be put in, like which direction. And once that's in there, you just flip it, and as you can see, it sees the memory card, and nope, and it also sees the SIM card, but there is no signal from it, but it's already there. And just to show you how it looks like without it, so once you take it out, we'll go into this little crossed out SIM. Yeah. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.